Hello. Today I'm going to show you a couple different ways in which you can use to determine if which of two numbers are larger. Our numbers are 21 over 68 and 23 over 74. The first method I'm going to show you is the cross multiplication method. Here, when we face our fractions, we're going to begin with the denominator on your left side and multiply it by your numerator on your right side. When you do that, you get 1564. Then we're going to multiply the denominator on our right side by the numerator on our left. When we do this, we get 1554. Because 1564 is the larger number, 23 over 74 is our larger fraction. So 21 over 68 is less than 23 over 74. Or you can rewrite that as 23 over 74 is larger than 21 over 68. But how did this work? Well, this is actually a shortcut to the common denominator method. Here, we would multiply 74 over 74 in order to get a common denominator between these two numbers. Over here, we would multiply 68 over 68. Because 74 times 68 is the denominator on either side, these numbers are such that you only have to look at your numerator to determine which one is larger. And here we have multiplied 23 times 68, which is the same thing we did in the cross multiplication, and got 1564 on this side. When we multiplied 21 times 74, which is the same right here, we got 1554. Therefore, based on our definition of a fraction, because we have the same number of equally sized pieces in our denominator, we only have to look at our number of copies in the numerator. So, because we have more copies of our unit fraction in the numerator, this is our larger number, and this is our larger fraction. So we get the same results as we did using the cross multiplication method. The next method I'm going to show you is how to convert these numbers into decimals. To do this, we're going to pick up our calculators and divide 21 over 68. When we do this, we get 0.3088, and the number carries on. When we put our calculators, 23 divided by 74, we get 0.3108, and the number carries on from there. Now we just have to look at our place value. When we start in the tens place, the numbers are the same, which means we need to move on to our hundredths place. 0 and 1. 1 is larger than 0, so therefore 0.3108 is larger than 0.3088. Or 3,108 tenth thousandths is larger than 3,088 tenth thousandths, because we only have to look at the number closest to the decimal to determine which is larger. Every number that comes after this point in this problem is irrelevant because the 1 was larger than our 0. Another way to look at this would be to compare these numbers on a number line. Because 0.3108 is further to the right than 0.3088, it is the larger number. I'm going to bring that closer to make sure you can see it. And that's all there is to it. That's the convert to decimals method. In either case, using either method, we were able to determine that 21 over 68 was less than 23 over 74. Or again, 23 over 74 was larger than 21 over 68. Thank you.